So guys, I'm right here. I'm gonna do my first solve right here. So 3, 2, 1. This is not a difficult scramble, but yeah, still. And I'm doing the wrong way. And now the cross is done. Now the corner is done. Now one corner is left. Okay, bro, I'm so bad at entering the pairs. Okay, so now the second layer is almost completed, but still one point was. Now alignments, okay, I know this case. I already been this case before. And okay, 3, 2, 1, solve. And I also bring this cubes, so I'm gonna solve it later. And bye.